Hi, I'm Harry from Berthon International, and today Ben is going to show you around the HALCYON at the Eagle 44.
Welcome back to the second walk around video for HALCYON, the 2015 Leonardo Yachts Eagle 44, designed and built in Holland. Incredible quality from Dykstra, who also designed and refitted many of the J-class yachts. Now you would almost think she was a little J-class yacht. This one is actually painted in Endeavour blue, same colour as Endeavour. She's got very recent 3DI sails. There's a second set of sails that go with her as well. These ones are hardly used. An enormous cockpit. She seats 6, 7 or 8, maybe even 8 around the table. Nice comfortable sofa behind the wheel, and as you can see at the moment she's on autopilot with Alan controlling the jib and the mainsail there, just with the push button winches. Sails go up and down with the central cockpit winch, that's powered as well, with the reefing and jack stays there. Everything you touch is just beautifully made, high quality. There we've got the jib and the main sheet at the top, the jib furling with the hydraulic panel for the back stay. Lovely big aft deck. There is a boarding ladder that slots in on the port side. Even the flagstaff's quite a beautiful feature on this yacht. As you can see, myself and Ellen having a terrible day out. Inside the cockpit table, which you can't see, but the forward one is a sink and the aft one is a fridge. Now we're going to pop down below. Not a huge amount to talk about here. Sitting headroom on both sides. The berth is actually enormous and a very comfortable place to sleep overnight if you so wish. No cooking facilities. There's a small heads on the port side under that corner cushion there. And it's quite bright and airy with the skylights. So please do click and subscribe, go to the website, have another look at her specs, and do call me if you've got any questions.